So I just found some all black LeBron 8s.
What's going on, you guys? It's your man DBTown24 and I'm back with you guys with another video. But before we get into this one, I need to say something real quick. So like, I was just thinking, because I'm always trying to think of new ways to reinvent my channel, and I was just thinking, you know, like usually when I start off a video I say, what's going on, you guys? That's like my thing, I guess. But I was just thinking, like would you guys think less of me if I started off a video by saying like howdy ho? Like, is that okay? Like, would you guys be mad if I did that? You know what, maybe I should give an example, because maybe me just saying it doesn't really hit home. So let me give an example of the intro before you guys judge it, okay? So here it is. Howdy ho, guys, it's DB. Howdy ho, my name is DBTown24 and I'm back with you guys with another video.
Why are you talking like this?
I don't know. Anyways, guys, so for today's video, what I'm gonna do is I took a clip from a long time ago. I think this is like a 2-year-old clip. I'm gonna be honest, this is an old ass clip, but I took a clip of me buying some LeBron 8s from a long time ago, and I'm going to make use of the clip now. Okay, now before I used to call like stuff like this scrambled, so like I would do in unboxing videos and I would call it a scrambled unboxing. This is like a scrambled review or something like that. I don't know what you want to call it, but I don't have nothing to do a video on right now, so this is what I'm gonna do. Alright, so bear with me as I pick up these LeBrons. They're right down here, so I have to reach down to pick them up. But I'm gonna just give you guys a closer look at the shoe, because the last time, like in that clip, it was inside the store, and you guys know, like I'm like really weird with talking inside the store of thrifts, because it's weird. Like this can't just be me. Like if you are like recording in public, it's just fucking weird, okay? Even though I do it a lot, I'm still not over how weird it is. So sometimes the volume in thrift stores is not the best. So I'm gonna give you guys a better volume and better video quality, I guess, right? Whatever, man, get to the damn shoe. Alright, you guys, so here's a quick little look at the sneaker. I'm gonna go ahead and just give you guys a quick little 360 look at it. If I remember correctly, as far as the video clip from the actual thrift footage, I don't know if I said this or not, that's why I'm saying if I remember correctly. These are in really good condition. I don't really know, I really suck at numbering shit, so like when people say like out of a number what's the condition, I'm not really good at it. I would say maybe like an 8.5 to 9. Here we go. The little line on the tongue right there. And here's just a better look at the upper. What is kind of weird about these though, like, I don't know if it's like, it looks like there's like some weird midsole separation right there. You guys can see that? That shit is weird. This was like that when I bought it. I don't really know what that's about. Like if you play basketball in these, the whole fucking sole will just rip off. So yeah, that's really the only problem. So maybe I'd say an 8. Maybe that shouldn't be an 8.5 if there's a fucking crevice in that bitch. Oh, and by the way, here's a receipt for you guys. Sometimes I have to show these things, even though I showed you guys like in-store footage of me at the cashier desk. Sometimes people always accuse me of lying at like the price point I buy sneakers at. I don't know why the hell I'd lie about that, but anyways, here's my receipt. I had to fold it because on the other side is the address of my thrift. And sorry guys, I'm not giving you guys my thrifts, because then people just go there and take all the good shit. So you can see, first of all, the date. Jesus Christ, look at how long ago this was. 10/20/2016. So again, like I said, 2 years ago. And you guys can see the price, $1.89. I think I said $1. No, $1.86, my bad. And I think I said $1.89 before, so my bad about that. So anyways, yeah, quick little receipt. So I'm not lying, bitch. I'm picking these up for this price, bitch. Suck my dick, bitch. And yeah, man, that's pretty much about it. This video was the epitome of a thrift video. And what I mean by that is, like, you have to understand, like, I got the shoes from a thrift, obviously, but like they were secondhand shoes that someone else didn't want. And I took them and made something of it. This video, like the footage for the shoes and literally the shoes themselves, was something I didn't want, because that footage, like I said, is old as hell, but I did nothing with it because I didn't really want it. But now I'm using it. So literally a thrift video, which is something that someone else didn't want, ended up being something that I didn't want, but now I'm using. So it's like a big fucking circle, a circle that makes no sense, but I'm making a video about it because I had nothing to make a video about. So I guess we not making sense together. Anyways, you guys, so I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. Once again, man, shout out for the constant love you guys are always showing the channel. Like I said in my earlier video, it still amazes me just how much love I still get. It still amazes me. Matter of fact, it amazes me how like people will still recognize me in the store. I remember like one time this dude came up to me and like was like, "Are you DB Town 24?" And I was looking busted as fuck. So I ain't gonna lie, I denied it. I told him I wasn't me because I was looking busted. And he was like, "No, you have to be him. You look just like him." I was like, "It's not me. I'm sorry, sir." But if you're watching, that was me in the Walgreens. That was me. I was just looking busted, and I did not want to admit to you that I was the guy that people thought was like Mr. Stunt because I had all kind of shoes on YouTube, and then I was in Walgreens one day looking busted. So I didn't want to admit that to you, but sir, that was me, okay? Heidi ho.